this is my next video about infix to prefix expression with the combination of operators and parentheses and operands. So, if all these things are mingled and given to you, how are you going to solve it? Okay, shall we go for discussion? I think up to now you may be clear with different types of operator precedence and you might have solved the problem that I have given so far, and you may have a clear idea about the way of applying the rules and regulations for solving this. Okay, so after this I am going to wind up the conversion of infix to prefix. Okay, so now shall we proceed? So already I have told the expression has to be started from left to right. So this is the way. So first you take the innermost bracket. So the innermost bracket given is first d minus c. So first you should have to remove that. Okay. So how we are going to remove? You are going to convert, isn't it? So prefix is operator is going to precede that of operands. Isn't it? So that is the way, right? So now this is the given solution. So expression d minus c. If you convert, you will get as minus d and e. Isn't it? So like this only you are going to get the answer. So this is your first solved operand. So you should not disturb this in the future. Isn't it? So now you take this as it is. So write this. So the next you should have to consider this. So f plus g minus h. So now your motive is to remove the second innermost bracket. F plus g minus h is being given within the bracket, isn't it? So now we are going to remove it, right? So now write this as it is. So now we should not disturb this. So minus d and e. Now take this. You should have to take this. So f plus g minus h, isn't it? So what all the operators? Plus and minus. So according to table and the rules, both are having the equal priority, isn't it? So if it is of equal priority, you should have to go for associativity consideration. Okay, in the associativity rule, if you refer and see, for plus and minus they have given the direction as left to right. Okay, so left to right now. Okay, so if you take left to right, so first you should solve this plus and then you should have to solve the minus. So now you take this, f plus g is the given expression, isn't it? So now if you solve this, you will get the corresponding prefix expression as f plus g as plus f and g. Okay, remaining is minus h, you write it as it is. Okay, so now our next attempt is to solve this one, isn't it? So now solve. So minus d right as it is. So plus fg, these are all the result that we have got. So plus fg is the result we have got. So this is your operand, isn't it? Wait. So this is your operand. So now as I am going to take this minus as the next operator for solving, so the minus operator is joined with two operands. So what is this? So plus fg and h. So this is another one operand, isn't it? So I cannot write here. That's why I erased it. Okay. So when you are applying the conversion with minus as a target operator, you will get the answer as minus operand 1 and operand 2. Isn't it? So like this only you will be getting. So this is your operand 1 and operand 2. So minus will come here, isn't it? So what is operand 1? Plus fg. What is the second operand? So the second operand is h. So now we have solved this. Okay, so now all the operators and operands have been solved, isn't it? So is there a necessity for putting the brackets? No need. So you can remove this. Friends, are you all clear? So now we will go for the next step. So this is your operand, that is solved operand, isn't it? So this is your solved operand. Is there any new operands present? No, we have solved everything. Okay, so now slash is your operator. So this is your operator. Now the last and the final step is you are going to convert this slash and the joint expression, operator expression. So if you convert this, you will have operand 1, operand 2. So this is your operator. So slash operand 1 and operand 2. Isn't it? Like this only you will get. So if you substitute operand 1 and operand 2, you will get the answer as slash minus D and minus plus FGH. Friends, this is your answer. Are you all clear? So this is the answer you have got. So in this way only you are going to solve by giving the precedence and priorities for the operators and the parentheses. Okay friends, are you all clear with this? Okay, so now I am going to give you a sample question of the same type. So now you are going to solve it and give me the answer. Okay, so in the next video we are going to discuss what are all the problems that I have given for you to solve with that of the answers. Okay, suppose we have any doubts also, you can give me in the comment area, right? So friends, thank you for watching. So I request you to give me your feedbacks, whether it is a positive or negative, no problem. I am there for accepting it and rectifying myself. Okay friends, and I also request you to subscribe my channel if you really like my way of teaching sessions. Okay, and I also ask you to press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications. Okay, bye. We'll meet in the next session.